The Vivo X200 FE is a newly launched compact flagship smartphone that has recently debuted in Taiwan and is expected to launch globally, including in India soon. Here is a summary of what's known about the Vivo X200 FE. Display 6.31 inch 1.5K AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate featuring an in-display optical fingerprint sensor. It boasts a peak brightness of 4500 nits and a high frequency 2160Hz PWM dimming for eye comfort. Processor MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus SoC, through some reports also mentioned Dimensity 9400E. RAM and storage up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. Battery a significant 6500 MHz silicon carbon battery with 90W fast charging support, capable of a full charge in about 57 minutes. It also supports reverse wired charging. Camera's rear JC's tuned triple camera setup. 50 megapixel main sensor Sony IMX921 with YS and f/1.88 aperture. 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens Sony IMX882 with 3x optical zoom and OIS f/2.65 aperture. 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Front 50 megapixel wide angle selfie camera. Features include JC's optics, JC's T lens coating, laser AF, AI image studio and image expander. Operating system Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. Design compact form factor with dimensions of 150.83 into 71.76 into 7.99 mm and a weight of 186 grams. It features an aluminum frame and is IP68 or IP69 rated for dust and water resistance. Connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared port, USB Type-C 2.0. Colors available in fashion pink, light honey yellow, minimalist black and modern blue. Launch and pricing. The Vivo X200 FE has officially launched in Taiwan on June 23, 2025. For India, it is expected to launch in mid-July 2025, possibly between July 13 and July 19, and could launch alongside the Vivo X Fold 5. The expected price in India is around Rs 50,000 to Rs 55,000. It is seen as a compact flagship device, often compared to the Vivo S30 Pro Mini in terms of design and some specifications. Now, especially if you are looking for a compact flagship experience, here is a breakdown of why you might consider buying it. Strong performance MediaTek Dimensity 9300 plus SoC. This is a powerful flagship grade processor. Whether you are into heavy gaming, demanding applications or seamless multitasking, the Dimensity 9300 plus should handle it with ease, offering excellent performance. Up to 12GB LPDDR5X RAM coupled with the powerful processor, ample RAM ensures smooth operation and efficient app switching. 512GB UFS 3.1 storage. Fast storage means quick app loading times and snappy file transfers. Exceptional camera system, JC's tuned triple rear cameras. Vivo's partnership with JC's is a significant highlight. 50 megapixel main Sony IMX921 with OIS, a large high resolution sensor with optical image stabilization. OIS promises excellent photos, especially in challenging lighting condition. 50 megapixel periscope telephoto Sony IMX882 with 3x optical zoom and OIS. The inclusion of a periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom is a premium feature for a phone in this segment, allowing for high quality zoomed in shot without significant loss of detail. 8 megapixel ultra wide. While the ultra wide resolution is lower than the other two, it still provides versatility for capturing wider scenes. JC's T lens coating. This coating helps reduce reflections and glare, leading to clearer and more vibrant images. AI image studio and image expander. These AI features can enhance your photos and provide creative possibilities. 50 megapixel front camera. A high resolution front camera ensures detailed and sharp selfies and video calls. Impressive display, 6.31 inch 1.5K AMOLED display. This compact display offers vibrant colors, deep blacks and excellent contrast, typical of AMOLED panels. The 1.5K resolution provides great sharpness. 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling animations and a more fluid gaming experience. 4500 nits peak brightness. This is an incredibly high peak brightness, meaning excellent visibility even in bright outdoor conditions. 2160Hz PWM dimming. High frequency PWM dimming helps reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments. Massive battery and fast charging. 6500 MHz silicon carbon battery. This is a very large battery capacity for a compact phone, promising excellent battery life. Vivo claims up to 25.44 hours of YouTube playback or 9.55 hours of gaming. 90 watt fast charging. With 90 watt charging you can quickly top up the large battery with a full charge in about 57 minutes. Reverse wire charging, a convenient feature to charge other device with your phone. Compact and durable design. Compact form factor at 150.83 into 71.76 into 7.99 mm and 186 grams. It designed to be comfortable to hold and use with one hand, a refreshing change in a market dominated by larger phones. IP68 or IP69 rating. This level of dust and water resistance means the phone is well protected against splashes, spills and even submersion. Software and user experience, Android 15 with FunTouch OS 15. You get the latest Android version with Vivo's customized user interface, which offers a range of features and optimizations. Potential downside to consider before buying: no headphone jack. This is a common in modern smartphones but worth nothing if you rely on wired headphones. No FM radio, another feature that is often omitted in newer phones. Expected price: while offering flagship features, the expected price of Rs 50,000 to Rs 55,000 places it in the premium segment, so it is not a budget option. In summary, the Vivo X200 FE is a strong contender if you prioritize top tier camera performance with Jessis optics, especially for portraits and zoom. Excellent overall performance for gaming and demanding tasks. A vibrant and smooth AMOLED display with high brightness. Exceptional battery life and very fast charging. A compact and durable design that is comfortable to hold. If these aspects align with your smartphone needs, the Vivo X200 FE could be a fantastic choice.